Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make cute boho style cushion covers in two styles. This is the first one in which I've used pom-poms. I'm gonna use it for my daughter's reading corner. And this is the second one. I made this with a yarn and with tassels in the corners, and it's really looking so cute. I'll use this one on the accent chair in my bedroom. This will go perfectly with the room decor as well. Alright, let's get started with the first one. This is really the easiest one. I got this thick white upholstery fabric, and the cushion cover which I'm going to make would be 18 by 18. So I'll measure 18 inches this way and 18 inches this way. I'll mark straight lines. Now I'll cut this. So these are not two panels, this is just one single panel. This is folded on one side. I'm not cutting two panels of 18 by 18. This is one single panel of 36 by 18. Now I'm going to set this like this. So this would be on the back side of the cushion in the middle, and I'll take these two strips and I'll sew these strips here, and later we can add button on this. Alright, the sewing is done, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this way and I'm gonna sew it on the sides now. But yeah, before that I'll turn right side inside. Here you can see I've sewn it from the sides. I'll flip the right side outside, and I've used iron to make this perfectly set. And now I'll take these pom-poms. Just to let you know guys, I got these pom-poms from Dollarama. I found these pom-poms and I really found them so cute, and then I got the idea to make a cushions from them. But you can make your own pom-poms with the colors of your choice, or if you want to buy them anywhere else, you can. So I started laying them down on the cushion to have a rough idea of how I'm going to distribute the colors. I have pom-poms of 4 different colors, and I am just arranging them in 4x4 matrix so that they look scattered in different columns and rows. So that was the final pattern of the colors which I'm going to do. I took a picture of it, but to know exactly where I'm going to attach it to the cushion cover, I took this measuring tape and I started marking it on 4 inches apart. And in the rows it was just a rough idea. Alright, so now I have all the points for the pom-poms. I am going to use needle and thread to attach these pom-poms to the cushion cover like we do for the buttons. This is very easy and simple method. Alright, this is the final look of the cushion, and you can see it's really looking cute, and this will really go well with my daughter's room decor because she has pom-poms all over the place in her room, and this will go perfectly with it. Okay, we are not done yet. We still have to attach a button on the back to properly secure it when it's on the cushion. So I took this button, I'm gonna use needle and thread to stitch the button to the cushion from inside the way I'm showing you in the video. And then I'm gonna stitch the buttonhole on the other side. I'm gonna use this ripper to rip the fabric in the buttonhole. And we are done. Now let's move on to style 2. For this one, I'm planning it to make the rectangular one with the tassels in the corner. And for this one, I'll keep the length around 21 to 22 inches and width around 14-15 inches. So I'll measure this length here. And similarly, like the previous one, I'll fold it like this. This is the back side of the cushion cover. I'll sew these strips on the edges, and this would be the back side. I'll measure the length one more time, and yeah, it's 21. I'm gonna turn it to the right side. And this is the yarn which I got from Michaels. This is a really thick yarn, and I'm gonna use it to make a design on the front side. I got this design from Pinterest. That's the design which I liked. You can search design whatever you like on Pinterest. You have to search for boho cushion cover style, and you can find many designs there. I first started putting down the yarn on the cushion cover, but then I decided to mark the middle points so that the design should be in the center. And this is kind of triangle design which I'm making. I'm just laying it down for now, and then later I'll use glue gun to stick this to the fabric. So this is the final design which I came up with. And now I'm gonna take the glue gun. I'll use it step by step. I'll draw a line with the glue gun and stick the yarn on the fabric so that it looks straight, square or diamond shape. And in the corner, I'll use more glue gun to stick the end towards the fabric. And I'm gonna repeat the same process for rest of them. I glued all the yarns to the fabric now, and now I'm gonna stitch it from all four sides. While sewing, I properly secured the end points of the yarn in the stitch line. I'll trim this extra yarn here, and then I'm gonna flip this to the right side. The cushion cover is almost ready, just we have to add the tassels. To add the tassel, I'll put this cover on the cushion and then I'll make tassels for the corner. I had this macrame string and these are 6 strings. I have tied them with a knot and I'm gonna double it and wrap a string around it the way I'm showing you in the video. I was doing this first time with macrame, so this was a little tough, so I took this needle and thread to properly secure it and then I turned this inside. And then I used the same thread to sew this to the corner of the cushion cover. Macrame is actually made up of multiple strings knotted together, so I'm going to use this comb to detangle the knotted strings so that we get actually the tassels. Oh, it was a lot of work. After working about half an hour, I got these tassels. I'll cut this straight. I attached these to the 4 corners of the cover, and with this, the cushion cover is ready. I really liked the end result of the video. It is really looking awesome and perfectly matching the boho style. I hope you like this video. For more DIY videos, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with more videos soon. Bye bye for now.